Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, NarexFX channel. So this is about 4:21 a.m., which is more like the Asian section, the Tokyo section. So I just saw a good setup on GBP which I'll be taking you guys into. So I trade with ICT concept. So I just saw this whole setup here. So I'll be taking you through on how I was able to get this setup. I entered this market like 1 hour ago. So this is it. So if you look at from the daily time frame, we just know that we are bullish from the daily time frame, and you can just see we had a break of structure here, guys. So this is more like the most recent structure we have here, which is this BOS on the daily time frame. Then if you take it back to 4 hours here, okay, this is not where I saw my entry on the 4 hours, but I can also show you why I'm entering. So let's go down to the 2 hours. Now, if you trade ICT, you understand the whole ITC and mitigation block entry model. So here we have a mitigation block, the last bullish candle here. So we expect to see price, get rejected from this point down to break this other high here, which is our first point of take profit here. So before I could enter the trade, I also went down to like 5 minutes 5 minutes to get my shifting. Okay, I actually used 3 minutes here. So if we check at 3 minutes time frame, okay, 3 minutes is, let me go to 3 minutes time frame. But let's just go with 5 minutes since 3 minutes is not really here on the option. So here on 5 minutes, this is the last high here. This is the last high here that formed the lowest point of the market, which we broke it. That means we've changed direction already on the lower time frame. So this particular point here broke structure or caused a change of character, any way you understand it. So we have a change of character here, guys. Well, on the 3 minutes is more visible, but you can still see it on the 1 minute. But we will have several breakout structures after that. So on the 1 minute, this is where we have our own change of character here. So this is it here on the 1 minute. This was where we had our change of character, but on the 5 minutes is somewhere around here. So this is it here. So after a change of character, we've been seeing several breakout structures to the upside. So now our main target, if we go to the 2 hours time frame, our target is this particular high here. Sorry for that. So our target is this old high here, which was formed I think yesterday's high. This will be yesterday's high. So we are even expecting price to create higher structures from here also. So this is our target for the first trade. Then the second trade, we should be expecting price to cover up this range here. So I just believe we'll get to TP. So I will come back with more videos or more videos on the remaining part of the setup or remaining part of this trade. So first of all, I identified my point of entry, which was on the 2 hours. Then I went back to you know 5 minutes to get a change of character, which I got here. So this is now telling us that we finally turned to the bullish side of the market here. So I'm expecting price to continue bullish from here. So let me show you it on more on a clearer view where I did the analysis. Alright guys, welcome back to the trade. So this is about 10:49 a.m. in New York session, sorry, London session, and you can see already we are already on massive profits, guys. So let me just take you back to the trade and you see how everything started. Okay guys, this is it. So our trade, we took it around London, around Asian section, and this is just very simple, guys. Just wait for a confirmation in your point of entry. So I had one order there because I was feeling like this could be a you know a potential zone for price to take out liquidity more, this particular equal lows. So I was just hoping that price from this place come down to this equal lows, take out liquidity before going fully. But since it did not take out the liquidity now, it's gonna do that maybe in the future when it goes to the old high, which is the potential you know liquidity level. So that's just it. After I had my change of character here, right inside the mitigation block, this is the 2 hours here, guys. This is 2 hours. This is the mitigation block. You see we have a change of character right inside the POI, so I just took my entry from here, and we are actually trading with the trend. So it's more like a boost to our our this thing, our confirmation or our entry model. So that's just it. So I'm still expecting price to get to this level here, but let's see how it goes. Right now, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do to subscribe. I have videos where I talked about taking entries with some ICT models. I have explained mitigation block, breaker block, and even using other blocks to take entry, mostly on currency pairs, and I'm just beginning to do some on synthetic pairs, that's derivative pairs. So do well to subscribe and follow for more. So if there is any question you have, I'm always here to answer you. So let's call it a day. I don't know if I'll still be chanced or if there will be any reason to do the final video right at take profit level, but I don't really want to make it much. But if I can still make 1 or 2 records, but you've seen how everything is going, if I can still make 1 or 2 records, I will still do that. But for now, this is where I'll say goodbye. Alright, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, this was actually where I did the analysis, so I think it's more visible here. So just more like a explanation. After this mitigation block, you see where I have this arrow now is another block. So if price does not react to my mitigation block, then I'm going to wait for it at my other block. But why I took this trade, it was when I saw the rejection. Let me see if I can adjust it. I saw this rejection here, all those rejection, and it was happening right in the mitigation block close to a fair value gap. So this was like a good setup that has many, should I call it, that was complying with most of my checklists on the mitigation block entry. So, and you can see here where I pointed out this particular place here, that was a liquidity sweep there. So more like liquidity was swept and it reacted to the mitigation block, so it was more interesting here. So that was why I was able to take this trade, and I was also having my other block here as my second point of entry. So that's just it. I'm still targeting the old high as my drawn liquidity, and that's it on GBP USD. So there's not too much video here. Just do well to subscribe for my channel for more interesting videos on ICT. So on my channel I talk about taking entries or using ICT to take good entries on trading synthetics or currency. So there are different model of ICT or strategies or model, let me just call it model. So I use each of them to take trade on every video. So please do well to subscribe for more video. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, it's time to break even on this particular trade. So I just let me bring to your notice that we are already at how many pips? Close to 40 pips here. So let me show you guys, we are close to 40 pips. If we check 15 minutes, so this is it here, about Okay, it's already showing 40 pips, but it's not exactly counting 40 pips. So I'll be locking like 25 pips here. Or let's just say 30 pips. I'll be locking 30 pips here. So that's it, guys. Secured about 30% of this trade. We are already at 50% right now, but I'm securing like 30%. So let's see if we get to TP or if it hit us at break even. So guys, this is it. Okay, I'm actually trading this account sizing.
Alright guys, still on this particular trade, GBP USD. So guys, I actually got to the take profit level today, but unfortunately I hit break even due to I placed my I adjusted my stop loss due to the news incoming in the 2:30 p.m. So I had a break even around this point, and if you see how price rejected or reacted from this other block, so I broke even and I got stopped out. So I was actually looking for a re-entry, but I could not really get one during the New York session due to the fact that I know that the New York session is always for continuation. So on the lower time frame, I was expecting price to come back to this particular unmitigated order block so I can take forth my entry from there. But I did not really see price at that level, so I actually had to just allow it go since I already got stopped out. So that was how I took this particular trade, and that was just how everything went down. So thank you for watching, and please do well to subscribe for more.